when you come out and first thing a random person strokes you on the leg, that rather defines the place, I found. It wasn't very late, 10:30 or so, and I was pretty tired, but I saw the lights. Well, they just wouldn't be the same in the morning, would they? So I continued on with caution, and therefore was not surprised when this nice man offered me his wine. Very generous man, this. Wasn't just me. What did surprise me was that this fantastic place closes at 10. I mean, just look at the lights. It should just be coming alive. But no. Basically, had it all to myself. Which I suppose is kind of nice too. It's called Manufaktura. The manufactory. As in, where they make things by hand. Which is a lie, because it was a full-blown mechanical factory. Belonging to one Israel Poznański. He lived in that white building you saw at the beginning. He had this factory built in 1870s, and even though it went bankrupt somewhere in the 1930s, it operated as an active spinning and weaving mill all the way until 1992, being the site of famous workers' strikes in 1970 as well. Now it is a huge shopping and entertainment complex, which is... No cut. Everything but open late. Although, in fairness, it was a Monday night. Well, I enjoyed it anyway. The following morning I had some 3 hours, and so set out for the main tourist drag, Piotrkowska, aiming for this, EC1, a modern art center in a converted power plant. Bit like Tate Modern, cause after an airplane and an airport, a good power plant is my favorite thing. But before long, I dived into a gate, as I like to, and found this. A street of mirrors. It's called the Rose Arcade, Passage Róży, and it's amazing. Shame it wasn't sunny, really. Still, what an amazing idea! I emerged onto the top of Piotrkowska, where this nice lady stopped me.
Ale w każdym razie, no, to już szokujące, bo to trwa tak długo, no mieszkańcy jak się przechodzi koło nich, aż warczą dosłownie ze zdenerwowania.
She saw me filming and asked me to show this, so I am. Łódź is a beautiful city, but it seems not easy to get around. Right, on I go, diving into various other gateways. Which, for the most, are locked. This one isn't. And as I stand filming all that fantastic detail, this nice man offers to unlock the door and let me in so I can film the staircase. Alright, I was a teensy bit uneasy, but it was too much of a temptation. I mean, all that beauty in such state. He said it's mostly the fronts that are renovated. After that, I saw a bookshop, got some vintage Polish posters to take home, and then suddenly it was time to head back. I had to take the long way because it's just one amazing building after another. Łódź is a new town. It appeared out of nowhere in the 1840s and was basically built all in one go in some 30 or 40 years. So it's all in keeping with one another. And a lot of it needs more than just a lick of paint. They're doing it. There's renovation everywhere. Plenty of old factories still up for grabs. Seriously, I need more than a day. 2 days, 3 days, maybe a week. You should come visit too. Great place, so authentic. Who knows how long for yet? I know, I'll bring Gremlin. She so loves old buildings. Never got to that power plant in the end. Gremlin on the road. Rozboju żadnego nie dokonał.
Nie, oczywiście.